I declare IPI 2024, IPI Run 2024 now open!
More than 8,000 runners flooded the streets of Mandaue City last Sunday, May 19, during the IPI Run and Wellness Festival in celebration of the company's 65th anniversary. Participants of all ages and backgrounds laced up their sneakers to race through the 3 km, 6 km, 12 km, and 21 km categories. The event attracted seasoned runners, families, and first-time participants alike. Cebuano celebrities were also present, like Paul J. Castillo and Oliver Mulder.
We're very happy and we're very thankful for all those who participated today. Medyo huot ang ato ang location, but I think everybody enjoyed and they went home with the big smile. Dagan kayo tag mga prizes na gipanghatag, and we've also given that kind of experience, that IPI Run 2024 has to offer.
Among the top finishers were Carl Penedo, who placed first in the 21 km open category with a gun time of 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 23 seconds.
Amo ni siyang gipraktisan og maayo, amo ni siyang gijaggingan para ma-champion me. Karon naabot na mo among gihaguan mo na naabot nga ani, champion me.
And Joseph Mururi, who aced the 12 km category.
And I feel good, they're improving, everything was good, the master, the road, and I'm happy they're improving every time, and I hope they will continue like that.
Some also marked their first fun run experience during the event.
I joined this run since I have a lot of friends nga nag-start of running, and then ganan sa ko mo try nga unsay feeling nga mo appeal og marathon. And then after sa run, I felt like wala siya sa stress since I'm a BPO employee.
Ang reason nga nang ni-join me sa IPI is because we want to explore this kind of journey since it's our first marathon. So among goal is to be a 21 kilometers finisher soon.
So, ang feeling after sa fun run, kay fulfilling siya nga first time na mo then naka 6K na dayon mi. So murag na proud sad mi sa mong self kay kanaing ana. Wa mi nag-expect nga makaya na mo.
Aside from the run, IPI also held its first ever wellness festival where participants enjoyed fun fitness sessions which include Zumba, boxing, CrossFit, and yoga. They were also able to win their favorite IPI products at the various booths that featured interactive games.
Our favorite product of IPI is this one, efficacent roll-on, and gamit yung kay siya everyday. Samot na nga, may glinon kay ko.
Ganahan kay ko sa Omega kay inig butang nimo sa imong lawas, kondisyon kayo inig human.
Mostly we use the efficacent for massage, it's good. Mostly efficacent is good for massage, and also the product like alcohol, we use them for cleaning.
Among the event highlights was the raffle draw, where lucky runners brought home gym passes, gift certificates, 65 pairs of shoes, and 2 brand new motorcycles.
To all our runners who joined today and to the wellness community in Cebu, let's continue to bring wellness to everyone. I think mao ni atong kinahanglan as a community to come together and celebrate our own well-being, and of course promoting healthy lifestyle for everybody.
This has been Andrea Patania Matthew of My TV Cebu.